Topdisk was founded in Shenzhen, China, specializing in the research and development, manufacturing, and sales of flash NAND memory products. Product range includes USB flash drive, internal SSD, portable SSD memory card. Under many years' industry experience, we have well-established strategic partnership with controller and flash suppliers. As a professional OEM/ODM supplier, we have built reputable business relationship with worldwide customers. There are more than 150 employees in Topdisk and our related company. We have professional research and development team with 15 engineers. We can provide one-stop OEM and ODM service for all customers, from ID designing, tooling, molding, logo printing, SMT, assembling, packaging to shipping. We have our own factory with ISO 9001 and BSCI certified. All products passed CE, FCC, RoHS, REACH certifications. We are also Apple MFI licensee manufacturer. Topdisk has obtained National High-Tech Enterprise, Shenzhen High-Tech Enterprise awards, as well as more than 20 invention patents certificates. In factory, there are 16 SMT lines for flash memory products. The product of each order has to be passed by high-strict QC test before shipping. Our production capacity is around 2 million pieces each month. The core values of Topdisk is to create value for clients, dare to commit and fulfill. We are here to provide users with reliable, convenient, and practical electronic products.